Hello, this is Leo. 5 years ago, I started my collection of micro helicopters when gyro were first added.
And Syma, known to be one of the better manufacturers. Today we're going to talk about the Chinook S026G G for gyro. Here is a classic Coast Guard S111G, the Agile Marine Super Cobra, and the Sports Performance all-time favorite S107G. The Boeing Chinook is a twin engine, known to be a heavy lifter helicopter, and is widely used by the US Army and the Royal Air Force. The quality is there as Syma carefully engineers the two tandem rotors configuration with two balance bars to keep the helicopter stable in flight. The details are fantastic. Every window are detailed out. At the bottom you have the USB charging port, power switch, and blue and red LED lights. The British Royal Air Force love it. Here's a scene by the lake. The usual, it comes with a micro radio spring-loaded throttle for safety, but you can easily remove the spring. Like all infrared radios, you are pretty much limited to indoors. Any bright sunlight will bring it down. Included is the yellow USB charger. You start labeling them when you have too many of them. Without further delays, let's show you how it flies.